Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Wechat full storage. To know how to fix or to solve Wechat full storage, you should just go settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Wechat. When you'll find this list of app and for you, click on force stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. You can go to Play Store, we click uninstall, and you can wait a moment to install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.